All right, what up YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you how to make some deer chili. All right, all the ingredients you need is 2 cans of black beans, 1 can of pinto beans, 3 cans of diced tomatoes, a pound of your venison, and 2 packets of chili in a big pot. First step, we're gonna fry the meat. I just put the oven on 6 and then I just fry it until it's done. And then we'll go to the next step when I complete that process, guys. A thing to take note of, make sure you keep stirring the meat 1 to every 2 minutes to not burn it. All right, this is about what you want it to look like. Now once you get it pretty much all grainy like this, fried where it's done all around, next you want to strain the grease that's left in it. Now a lot of people like to mix their venison with fat from cows or cut it 50-50 with hamburger meat, but like, if you don't do that, there's no need for that. But since I do that, I'm gonna drain this excess grease. See what I'm saying? By draining it, all that excess, you don't want that in your chili, okay? I drain the oily stuff out of the black beans. I don't like the way it makes it taste. Go ahead and add your ingredients. 2 cans of black beans, 1 can of pinto beans, 3 cans of diced tomatoes, go ahead and give it a good stir. And trust me, this is delicious. Now, your 2 preferred packets of chili seasoning, we're a mild family. Go ahead and add all of those in. Go ahead and give it another good stir. Now, you see how I got the stove on 4? I'm gonna leave it on 4 until this gets a mild boil. And then basically once it gets a mild boil, I put it down on 3 and then I just let it sit until it loses its soupiness and then it's done basically. I do recommend keeping the lid on top of it as soon as once you put it on 3. Give it a good stir. All right. The rest of this process takes about 30 minutes for it to get done, like to go ahead and start eating it, but I prefer mine not to be so soupy, so I won't be eating mine for another hour. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos to come.